Hello, I'm Archie Woods-Farmer, CEO and co-founder of Carnot. For those who recognise us, it's great to be back, a prototype and 12 months later. For those that don't, we'd like to introduce you to our ceramic engine technology that, by operating on this and producing this, will revolutionise energy and transport, enabling us to move further, cleaner and smarter.
The off-grid energy and long-haul transport markets are facing an unprecedented challenge to transition to net zero, or they risk facing financial penalties in the billions. Currently, there are no production-ready alternatives to combustion engines for these applications, and fuel cells and batteries just aren't options due to size, cost, and weight limitations. Current engines are easy to refuel, easily affordable, and we have a tremendous amount of experience in operating and manufacturing them. However, they're really inefficient. But why?
Well, modern engines waste 1/3 of fuel to cooling systems that stop metallic components from melting. This means low efficiencies and high emissions. Carnot is developing engines with key components manufactured from ceramics, able to withstand engine temperatures, eliminating the cooling system and bringing game-changing efficiencies twice that of modern engines. So why hasn't anyone done this before?
They have, but previous attempts involved trying to integrate ceramics into metal engines without changing the design, creating a titanic battle between the two materials. We've designed the engine to work for the ceramic instead, separating the functions of the two materials and maximising the benefits of each. Carnot engines will run on biofuels and hydrogen for net zero operation, allowing manufacturers and operators to avoid crippling financial penalties.
So who are we and why should you believe in us? Well, some of you might remember us from our last crowdfunding round, where we've raised over £250,000. And since then, we've smashed our targets, expanding our team to 6 engineers and completing a proof of concept prototype, securing over £500,000 in government grant funding, securing 2 funded partnerships with Carisbrooke Shipping, a major EU vessel operator, and Oz Minerals, a global mining company, and began discussions with a global top 10 automotive supplier and high-volume ceramics producer. Our Formula One derived team is capable of an extremely high pace of development and is backed by a world-class team of advisors. So how do we get all of this to market?
Our strategy is to form development partnerships with industrial players to whom we'll license our IP. Carnot will develop the core of the technology whilst the partner handles sales, distribution and manufacturing using their existing supply chains. This allows us to quickly scale production.
Hi, my name's Brett Trifford and I'm a part of the Think and Act Differently Ideas Incubator, which is powered by Oz Minerals. Oz Minerals is a modern mining company with assets in Australia and Brazil. One of our low impact aspirations is to emit zero Scope 1 emissions on our sites. And most of our Scope 1 emissions come from the burning of diesel in haul trucks and gensets. And we're really pleased to be funding a study into the use of Carnot's ceramic engine technology as a potential disruptor for the use of traditional diesel gensets.
Hi, I'm Helen Twijten. I'm CEO of Carisbrooke Shipping. Carisbrooke owns and operates a fleet of 38 ocean-going cargo ships. We've designed and built close to 100 ships in the past years, and we're always working on optimizing design and efficiency of our ships to reduce our fuel consumption and carbon footprint. Getting to net zero emissions is a big challenge for the maritime industry. Long distances with heavy loads on board and without the ability to refuel at sea make decarbonization complex. We believe Carnot's ceramic engine technology has the potential to be groundbreaking in improving efficiency and getting shipping emissions closer to zero. We're proud to be partnering with Carnot on this project.
Here is a Class 8 HGV, limited by law to 36 tonnes with a range of 900 miles and easy to refuel. With the weight of the truck and the engine, you're left with 26 tonnes of cargo space. Now, let's try this with a battery. To go 900 miles, we'd need a battery that weighs 26 tonnes, leaving only 1 tonne of space for cargo. Imagine trying to do this with a transatlantic ship.
So after smashing our targets last year, we're now raising for our second phase of development that includes expanding the team, securing pilot trials, and running an ultra-efficient prototype.
We are Carnot. Our momentum is building, and we'd be delighted if you join us on our journey to move further, cleaner, and smarter. Thank you.